Hi guys, kakatapos ko lang mag Therma and Silfirm X for my body, pampasexy. So, ang maganda nga sa Silfirm, yung needle, pwede siyang gamitin anywhere, no? So, sulit na sulit. Pwede sa face, pwede sa leeg. So, since nandito na rin ako, magpapakinis ako, may bago kaming procedure ngayon sa clinic. It's called the KBK Glass JLX. So, bakit glass? Kasi nakaka-glass skin siya, no? Tinulot to ng isang dermatologist from Korea who visited our clinic. So first, we will be injecting our favorite skin booster, Juvilook. Alam niyo nung pampaglass skin yan, no? For enlarged pores, brightening the skin. After i-inject, gagamitan natin ng Silfirm X. One powerful skin booster and one powerful machine, di bongga. Sobrang clean. So Juvilook, when injected directly into the skin, no? Very powerful yan because it has poly-D-lactic acid, which is a powerful biostimulator, and also hyaluronic acid that immediately prompts and makes the skin glass skin and look fresh. This is one of my favorite pampakinis sa clinic. Done na yung procedure, painless, mag-glow ang skin ko after 1 to 2 weeks. A little redness lang, pero tomorrow halos wala na. So, pwede rin siyang lunchtime procedure. Wala tong peeling at all. So, kung gusto niyo ng glass skin, like yung ginawa ni Doc, come visit us clinic for KBK Glass JLX.